This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Desiree Kotsofis. 4-bedroom 2.5 bath updated, 2-car garage, almost 2,000 square feet in centrally located beautiful gated Timberwalk community. Great family neighborhood and schools. Spacious open floor plan is beautifully updated, includes 9 feet ceilings that flow to your screened private first floor lanai, includes a large outdoor storage closet, and a first floor laundry add to the convenience. From the complete kitchen redesign that replaced the existing wall with a custom eat and counter area to the renovation of bathrooms, you will love these high-end finishes, including a luxurious master suite with dual closets and a spa-like bathroom with a soaking tub and walk-in shower. Upgrades include porcelain tile and wood baseboards throughout the first floor, custom cabinets and quartz countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms, stainless steel appliances, updated bathroom fixtures and glass shower enclosures. The community features include a heated pool, play area, BBQ picnic area, and fitness center. Low HOA fees, includes internet, cable TV, landscaping, exterior pest control. No flood insurance required. Best location, close to GCTC, FGCU, RSW Airport, dining, and beaches. $5,000 credit toward buyer closing costs from seller. For more information, review the details below.